Well, it has certainly felt chilly out there today, but yes, something a little less cold on the way as we head through this week. It will be changeable. It will become quite breezy, but temperatures gradually on the rise from midweek onwards. For now, though, still on the cold side. A few showers drifting southwards through the next few hours, but really for much of the night, it's set to become dry, largely clear skies overhead. With those clear skies, temperatures dipping down to around 3 or 4 Celsius quite widely, but I suspect just enough of a breeze to keep most of us frost-free. Tomorrow morning then, a chilly start, but a much brighter start than many of us saw this morning. As the day wears on, a little cloud milling around, but it should stay dry. Any showers very few and far between. But even in the best of the sunshine, another cold feel to the day. Highs of 7 or 8 degrees out on that northerly breeze and feeling chillier still. If you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. Portsmouth there just before 2 in the morning and just before 2 in the afternoon. So a pretty quiet day on the cards tomorrow, and overnight into Wednesday it stays quiet. In fact, this time clear skies will give rise to a pretty widespread frost and perhaps some patches of mist and fog as well. Wednesday itself looking pretty quiet, but you'll notice a frontal system out towards the west. That will be with us by Thursday, and thereafter temperatures looking a little more healthy. Yes, quite a chilly day out there today then, but something a little less chilly on the way. As the week wears on, it's quite changeable, it becomes increasingly breezy, and temperatures as a result will begin to recover. But out there at the moment, it is still chilly. We've got quite a bit of cloud coming and going through this evening and tonight, a scattering of showers drifting their way southwards. But for many of us by dawn, a much drier picture, skies becoming a little clearer, and underneath those clear skies, quite a chilly night on the cards. Widely down to 3 or 4 degrees Celsius, especially so inland, but I think enough of a breeze to keep us, for the most part, frost-free. Tomorrow morning then, yes, a chilly start, but hopefully more in the way of sunshine than we saw this morning. A little change really as we head through the day. Still a good deal of dry and fine weather, perhaps just 1 or 2 showers clipping the very far East Kent coast. And even in the best of the sunshine, we could see temperatures struggling once again, highs just 7, perhaps 8 degrees Celsius, chillier still in the breeze. If you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. Chatham there just before 3 in the morning and around 3:30 in the afternoon. So yes, a pretty quiet day on the cards tomorrow, if a little cold. Overnight into Wednesday, we hold on to calm conditions, perhaps more in the way of frost and mist and fog coming our way. Out towards the west, another front that comes our way on Thursday, and with it, some healthier temperatures.